If there's a Ford in need, I am the man indeed. I will find them. I will fix them. I'll love them. And you know, I'm going to drive the shit out of them. I am the Ford aficionado. Welcome to my channel. Alrighty guys, welcome back to Ford aficionado, back at it again. As you can see, I had the headlights done. Let's start on the Volvo today. $34.99. No, $37.35 for a headlight restoration. 195,291 miles. This thing still runs, shifts, and rides like a Cadillac. Alrighty guys, I just got home. I had an hour of overtime I had to kill. But check it out, I had the headlights restored on the Volvo today. And boy, did they look good. For about 40 bucks. It's really looking good. I washed it this morning. I gotta wash it again since they had to get all that debris from the headlights being sanded down. But they look 1,000 times better. They come out clean. Washed it. Canaan. Got to replace the gas door too because dumbass cousin of mine broke into it and broke the door latch to siphon the gas out of it. So they broke the little clip in here. See, broke right there. So I gotta buy a new door and fix it, replace this whole piece. But so yeah guys, I got that done. I got the Volvo washed, the headlights restored. Gotta get the gas cap lid replaced, door replaced. Gotta get a buffer wheel to get this tape residue off of here where they busted the back glass. And the next thing I want to try to do is replace the fuel filter, because it is right here, right in this area right here. There's a fuel filter up in here, and I'll change it out next chance I can get when I get time. And so yeah, 200,000 miles, almost 195,300 to be exact. And this thing runs like a charm. It don't use a single drop of oil. Anyway guys, had to replace the dipstick tube because it ended up, this plastic just broke off, snapped clean off right there. And so, but yeah, I changed the oil in it about maybe 500 miles ago. It don't use a single drop of oil. And so, get it back in the hole. But yeah, I do need to replace the washer fluid reservoir, that too, because it's got a crack in it or the lines fell off. And there's the other part of the dipstick that broke off. Let's see if I can get it out. Come on out of here, you cunt. Damn it. Well, it's gone. Anyway, no big deal. But yeah, the washer fluid reservoir, it's either got a crack in it or the hose fell off one. I'm going to have to look at that. I don't know, but it's... well, hell, right here it is. Right there it is. I don't really see anything wrong with it. I'm going to try to put some fluid in it and see what happens. But yeah, guys. So that's how my day's been. I'll see you on the next one. Thank y'all for watching. Ford aficionado is out.